Blacked Out Cheap Wrangler here. Welcome back to another vlog. It's a bit of mail time today. Got a package from my buddies down at GPCA in California. I'm super pumped to see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so got my handy knife. Got something really cool. Super excited to check out what these are. It says right over here that it's a GP clip. I like the packaging already. Wow, take a look at this, guys. This is awesome. Now, you guys might be wondering, okay, this is a cool clip, but how can we use this? I can already see some ways that we can use this. So we're gonna talk about this, we're gonna do a quick review, and we'll go from there. Inside the box, you get this little mini brochure, which gives you a lot of information. It is 20% bigger and stronger than any other clip. A capacity of 200% more than any other clip as well to hold your money or credit cards. It's also 200% thicker in true magnetic stainless steel belt clip to hold keys, cards, in a horizontal or vertical position. All right, so there's a lot of information, ways you can hold it and place it, but I'm just gonna show it to you because it's just more fun for me to illustrate it than to show you little images over here. So let's take a look. So looking at the clip right off the bat, it says GPCA at the top. On the other side, you got the 7-slot grill and the lights, so it's a nice little logo on the other side. So the first way you can use this is to hold money inside. All right, I just got a 10 here. Yeah, this is us Canadian money over here, if you guys haven't seen our Canadian dollars. All right, kind of plasticky. This is just one bill and it's pretty good. All right, so you can fold your bills in here and just keep it in your wallet or in your pocket or something like that. That's one way of using this. Second way of using this is as a card or credit card holder. All right, another way you can use this is as a belt clip. So you would place it on your belt and then you would have your keys hanging from the keychain. I'll show you how that looks. Here it is on my keys and I like it already. And now what I can do with this is mount it on your belt, have your keys securely hanging instead of in your pockets. All right guys, so this product actually comes in 3 colors. It comes in the black, it comes in the silver, and it actually comes in the steel gunmetal finish. So since you guys watched this video, I'll be giving away 2 of these awesome clips to 2 lucky winners. It's going to be a silver one and the gunmetal steel finish clip. And all you guys have to do is comment below and let me know why you guys would like to have one. And I'll be choosing a winner after a week. So you got a week to comment below. But the rules is that you gotta subscribe to my channel and you gotta be following me on Instagram at 2015 Wrangler. I'm gonna have the details below here. So you have a week. Once I choose the winner after a week, I'll comment below your comment under this video, letting you know that you won. I also want to thank the boys out at GPCA down in California for allowing us to review this product and have a giveaway. So I'm gonna have their information below as well, just in case you guys didn't win. You can go down to their website and order yourself one. I totally think it's worth it. Amazing keychain and a very good money clip, credit card clip, and a key holder. So until next time, please remember to subscribe, hit the like, share, and Jeep just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.